Hey everybody, Justin Townsend here with Harvesting Nature, and today I'm at the Lost Creek Hunting Ranch inside their meat locker here in North Texas. And we use the Lost Creek Ranch for our wild pig skills camps. In addition to that, they have a wonderful selection of exotic game species that you can hunt throughout the year. What I have next to me are two wild pigs that were shot at our camp this week. And I want to talk to you a little bit about shot placement for meat yield. Our main goal as hunters is to go out, hunt an animal, shoot it, bring it back, harvest, butcher, process the meat, and then use it to cook with. So I encourage a lot of people to think about all the various factors that allows you to have a good amount of meat come off the animal. So you think about types of ammunition, you think about shot placement, you think about the environmental factors. These are all important things you should be thinking about. So with shot placement, this pig here was shot at the base of the neck. We would consider this sort of a headshot. It's one we kind of teach at our pig camp, is if you're comfortable with a headshot, that's gonna give you the most meat yield, because you can see the rest of the pig is unaffected. On this pig here, it was shot in the vital area. The entry wounds here, exit wounds here. So as the bullet traveled through, it impacted all this meat around here, it impacted this meat here. So you're losing that. Another very important variable is the type of ammunition you're using. Both of these pigs were shot with non-lead ammunition. So non-lead ammunition is gonna stay together, it's gonna punch through, it's gonna leave a wound cavity, but it's not gonna splinter off and have shards of lead or anything in the meat or tear through the meat. So your affected area is gonna be smaller. So when you're using lead ammunition, it's going in, mushrooming, and then splintering off, and you're getting various amounts of lead throughout the animal. So that is gonna reduce the amount of meat you're gonna be able to take home, which is a very important consideration. And then the last factor is to think about what the animal is doing. Are they moving around? Are they fidgeting? Are they coming back and forth? A headshot on a pig, you're taking this general area, right or left, you're making a wound that's going to be a death blow. If you're shooting in this area, same effect, right? The pig is likely gonna die because you're gonna hit a vital, but a shift in the pig moving its weight from its front feet to its back feet is gonna take your shot placement from here up into the shoulder. Now you're losing all this front shoulder to the bullet entering, tearing through the meat and coming out the other side. So think about your shot placement, think about your ammunition type, and think about how those outside factors are gonna affect the amount of meat you're taking home. Just another thing in this long list of things that we have to consider from taking our meat from the field to the table.